You wouldn't believe how much money people throw away every year, thinking they're taking care of their cars. We're talking thousands of dollars spent on tricks that don't work, myths that make you look clueless, and products that promise miracles but deliver nothing. Today, we're tearing down 23 of the most dangerous car myths out there, and I'll reveal a little-known fuel hack at the end that actually works on any car. Stick around, because every single one of these could save you hundreds, even thousands. Let's jump straight into it. Myth number 23. Premium gas makes your car run better. Here's a classic. People swear by premium fuel like it's magic in a bottle. They think it will boost horsepower, clean the engine, or make the car purr like new. Reality check. Premium gas has a higher octane, but that's only useful if your engine was built to handle it. If your owner's manual says regular, upgrading to premium won't make a single horsepower appear. AAA tested it. Zero difference in cars designed for regular fuel. Meanwhile, I've seen cars being pampered with premium while the oil looks black and sludgy, screaming for attention. Want to truly baby your car? Stick to proper maintenance, fluid changes, and quality parts. Premium is only worth it if your engine actually requires it. And if that myth seems harmless, the next one will shock you. Myth number 22. Using cell phones at the pump causes explosions. Yes, people have been scared of this since the days of brick-sized flip phones. Total nonsense. Not a single verified case exists. Fire at pumps doesn't come from your phone, it comes from static electricity. I've seen it firsthand. Someone hops back in their seat, slides around, generates a static charge, touches the nozzle, and spark. That's what actually causes accidents. So, the real tip. Keep a hand on the pump, don't re-enter your car, and you'll be fine. Forget the phone. But if that surprised you, wait until we talk about winter mornings. Myth number 21. Warming up your car for 10 minutes is necessary. Neighbors still do this, especially in the cold season. They let cars idle like it's 1975 carburetor days. Today, fuel-injected engines need maybe 30 seconds to a minute before you drive gently. Any longer is wasted fuel, wasted time, and extra emissions. I've torn down engines where carbon buildup is so bad from long idling it could choke a V8. The right way: start it, wait a few seconds, and let your engine warm naturally as you drive. It's faster, cleaner, and better for the motor. Modern cars don't need coddling like old ones. Next up, myth number 20. Bigger cars are always safer. This is a dangerous assumption. Sure, mass helps in certain crashes, but safety isn't just weight, it's engineering. I've seen small sedans outperform massive SUVs in crash tests because of smarter crumple zones and stronger frames. At the salvage yard, big trucks sometimes fold like paper, while a well-built compact keeps the cabin intact. Modern tech, airbags, reinforced structures, stability control, levels the playing field. Don't buy bulk thinking it's a shield. Safety is smart design plus responsible driving. Myth number 19. Red cars get pulled over more often. This one's been around forever. People think flashing red paint makes cops target you. Nope. Insurance data, police reports, nothing supports it. What actually gets you pulled over? Speeding, rolling stop signs, reckless driving. I've owned red, blue, even yellow cars, never a ticket for color alone. Right foot speed. That's your problem. Color doesn't matter. Your driving does. Myth number 18. All-wheel drive makes you invincible in snow. SUV owners often fall for this. AWD helps you get moving, yes. But it won't help you stop faster or turn on ice. I've seen brand new SUVs slide through intersections because the driver thought AWD was magic. Traction for acceleration is not equal to traction for braking or steering. Winter tires and skill beat fancy drivetrains every time. Remember that. Myth number 17. Manual cars are always more fuel efficient. This is an old-school belief. In the 70s, maybe. Back then, 3-speed automatics were gas guzzlers. Today, modern automatics with 8, 9, even 10 gears often outperform a stick shift. Electronics shift better than any human, and EPA tests confirm it. I love driving manual. Fun, control, connection, but don't expect to save at the pump. Those days are long gone. Myth number 16. Using water instead of coolant is fine. This one can literally fry your engine. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. A 50-50 mix of proper coolant and water handles 265 degrees Fahrenheit under pressure, plus anti-corrosion additives to protect the radiator, water pump, and heater core. Skip it and parts rot, rust, and fail. Every manufacturer warns against plain water. I've replaced too many engines destroyed by people trying to save money. Myth number 15. SUVs never roll over. High center of gravity equals prone to tipping. Low speed. Maybe stable. Fast cornering or uneven surfaces. You're risking a rollover. IHS crash tests show even moderate maneuvers can flip a vehicle like a Jeep Wrangler. Size isn't invincibility. Stability and handling are. Myth number 14. Engine additives fix everything. This is a wallet drainer. Additives aren't magic. They won't stop leaks or make a tired engine run like new. Only real maintenance, oil changes, filter replacements, cleaning, keeps engines healthy. Some additives do have a purpose. Safe fuel cleaners, oil conditioners, cooling treatments, but only if you know which ones work. Myth number 13. Shifting to neutral at stoplights saves gas. Modern cars are smart. Fuel injection often cuts fuel in gear while coasting. Shifting to neutral sacrifices control and wears your transmission. Don't fall for this clever trick. Myth number 12. Cold air intakes automatically add horsepower. Stock engines are already optimized. Adding a cold air intake often adds noise, little gain, and can even confuse sensors. Only tuned or modified engines benefit. Otherwise, it's cosmetic. Myth number 11. Old cars are built better. Yes, classic steel feels solid, but modern cars have engineered crumple zones that protect occupants. Crash videos prove it. Old cars get crushed while newer models keep cabins intact. Modern metallurgy, synthetic oils, rust protection. Many cars now exceed 200,000 miles without major repairs. Nostalgia isn't safer. Myth number 10. Hybrid batteries don't last. Toyota, Honda, Ford, hybrid packs are built to 100,000, 150,000 miles, many lasting over a decade. Warranties cover 8 years or more. Hybrid owners save gas, not headaches, with regular maintenance. Myth number 9. Using AC kills gas mileage. AC compressors pull power, yes, but the impact is minimal. 1 to 3 miles per gallon at most. Rolling windows at highway speed creates more drag. Stay cool, drive smart. Myth number 8. You can wash your car too much. Wrong method can damage paint, yes. But frequent, gentle washing protects paint, prevents rust, and extends the car's life. Dirt, bird droppings, salt, they're corrosive. Wash correctly, wash often. Myth number 7. Cruise control saves tons of gas. Best on flat highways. Hilly terrain. Cruise control may burn more fuel by forcing speed consistency uphill. It's a tool, not a miracle. Myth number 6. Expensive tires equals better performance. Price doesn't equal suitability. Match tires to driving conditions, not marketing. High-end racing tires won't outperform proper all-season tires in daily commutes. Myth number 5. Overinflating tires improves MPG. Slightly reduces drag but shrinks contact patch, reduces grip, increases wear, risks blowouts. Stick to manufacturer PSI. Safety first. Myth number 4. Cars explode in minor crashes. Modern cars have crumple zones, reinforced tanks, fuel cutoffs. Explosions are Hollywood drama. Reality: dents, airbags, minor leaks. Not an inferno. Myth number 3. Low mileage equals healthy car. A car that sits can be worse than a driven one. Fluids degrade, seals dry, rust creeps. Check maintenance, not just miles. Myth number 2. New cars don't need maintenance. Even brand new vehicles need oil changes, inspections, and rotations. Ignoring early services leads to wear, voided warranties, and preventable damage. And finally, myth number 1. Redline a new engine to break it in. Dangerous and costly. Engines need gentle use, varying speeds, and adherence to manufacturer break-in recommendations. Revving to red line stresses bearings, valves, and rings, risking catastrophic failure. Respect the break-in, your engine will thank you for years. Now that you know the myths costing you money, time, and headaches, hit like, subscribe, share, and comment which country you're watching from. I want to see which myths travel the globe. Stick around, because in my next video, I'm revealing fuel hacks that actually save you real money. No gimmicks, just insider knowledge.